Welcome back to Katie Quiz, brought to you by GBU Life. Let's kick things into high gear in an aptly named Katie Quiz Speed Round. This is a round where we have 10 questions prepared for each team. However, each team only has 60 seconds to answer as many of those questions as they can. We award 10 points for a correct answer. There are no deductions for incorrect answers or passes in this round. All three teams will be competing under the category of science, but we will give you a more specific scientific category right before your clock starts. Up first will be our team from California Area High School in California. Your category is chemical nomenclature. So I'm going to give you the common name for a molecule or compound, and you provide its most common formula. And your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. Water.
H2O.
Table salt.
NaCl.
Methane.
C2H4.
No. Sulfuric acid.
Pass.
Ammonia.
NH4.
No. Silver bromide.
AgBr.
Chlorine gas.
Cl.
No. Benzene.
C2H4.
No. Propane.
C4H6.
No. Aniline.
Pass.
And that was your last one. With that, you added 30 points to your score. That takes you up to a very nice 295 so far on the day. California Area High School. Up next is our team from Montour High School. Montour, your scientific category is evolutionary biology. And your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. Preserved remains of once living ancient plants and
Fossil.
term for when all members of a species die out.
Extinct.
Process in which an organism adapts to its environment.
Evolution.
Ability of an organism to survive and reproduce in its environment.
Fitness.
Physical structures that no longer have any function.
Vestigial organs.
Evolutionary hypothesis that suggests long stable periods are interrupted by bursts of activity.
Pass.
Trait controlled by 2 or more genes.
Allele.
No. French zoologists that believed organisms pass on acquired physical characteristics to offspring.
Pass.
3-word expression Charles Darwin used to describe how species change over time.
Pass.
Large mutational change between generations, potentially causing single-step speciation.
Bottleneck.
And that was the last one as time ran out. And with that, you added 50 points to your score. Very nicely done, Montour. That takes you up to 355 points so far on the day. Finally up, we have our team from Penn Trafford High School. Your scientific category is rotation. All your questions are about rotating objects. And your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. Number of degrees in 2 full rotations.
720.
Alternative to degrees used in trig. Say that again.
Radians.
Rotational analog of linear velocity symbolized omega.
Rotational velocity or angular velocity.
Rotational analog of force symbolized tau. Rotational analog of mass symbolized by the
Moment of inertia.
fictitious outward force of opposing centripetal force.
Centrifugal force.
Apparent deflection of objects due to the rotation of the Earth, named for a Frenchman.
Pass.
Effect seen in tops in which the rotational axis of a body itself rotates.
Gyroscopic motion.
No. Objects labeled IJK used to describe 3D
Unit
rotation.
vectors.
No. Theorem that connects rotational symmetry to conservation of angular momentum. And time is up with that. Now, in that round, you did give 2 answers for the third question I asked. The first one was incorrect, although you did answer it correctly afterwards. Unfortunately, we can't accept that. That means you did get 5 correct in that round, adding 50 points to your score, also taking you up to 355 points, which is very nicely done Penn Trafford High School. Now, you know we never like to slow it down after the speed round, so let's jump right into Katie Quiz math time. This is a round where we have 2 math-based questions for each team. We award 20 points for a correct answer. There is a 20-point deduction for any incorrect answers or passes. No pens, papers, or calculators for this round. Up first is our team from California Area High School, and here is your first math time question. If the tangent of theta is 7/24 and 0 degrees is less than theta, which is less than 90 degrees, what is the cotangent of theta?
24/7.
24/7 is correct. Nicely done. Find the f of x, or the f of g of x, given the function shown.
4x² plus 6x.
That is right. You got both those correct, adding 40 points to your score, and that takes you up to 335 so far on the day. Very nicely done, California. Up next is our team from Montour High School. Here is your first math time question. We want you to simplify the radical expression you see here.
8x to the 5th.
That is the correct answer. Nicely done. If the cosine of x equals 0.8 and x and y are complementary, what is the sine of y?
0.6.
0.8 was what we were looking for on that one. So you got one right, you got one wrong. That means your score stays the same, but your score is still a very impressive 355 points. Montour. Finally up, our team from Penn Trafford High School. Here is your first math time question. What is the measure of the reference angle for a 210-degree angle?
30 degrees.
30 degrees is correct. Very nicely done. If the tangent of theta equals 5/12, what is the sine of theta?
5.
Actually, we were looking for 5/13. You got one right, you've got one wrong as well, and that means your score stays the same at a very impressive 355 points. What this means is we have a very close matchup. 2 teams tied at 355 points, but the other team is very close behind with 335 points on the board. So it is all going to come down to our final round to see who moves on to the semifinals of this season of Katie Quiz. That's a round we call More or Less, and it's coming up next.